Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope you're doing fine. So, for this meeting, this phonology meeting, my group, which is second group, will explain you about consonant and cluster. Please pay attention and write it down in the chat box below if you have anything to ask. The presentation will be started by Mbak Lulu and continued by me. Oke, Mbak Lulu, time is yours.
Okay, the first is explanation about consonant.
I'm sorry, there's some problems here.
In English, consonant, there are 21 consonant letters in the written alphabet and 24 consonant sounds in most English accents. In several cases, one consonant sound is spelled by more than one consonant letters. Example, in the word fox, F-O-X, in consonant sound is spelled by F-O-K-N-S, or one consonant letters symbol more than one sound. Next. From phonetic points of view, consonants are articulated in one of two ways. The way is there is a closing movement of one of the vocal organs. Example, when we P, when we open our mouth, the air flow a narrow construction, and that it is possible to hear the sound of the air passing through. The second way is the closing movement is complete. Example, when we say M. When we say M, our lip is closed and look at the air and total look at the air. From the phonology point of view, they are units of the sound system which typically occupy the edge of a syllable. Example, like they may also appear in sequence. In fact, up to 3 consonants may be used together at the beginning of spoken in English. Example, in the word scream, S-C-R-A-M-P. In scream, consonant in the word scream, they make 3 letters in one word, and up to 4 consonants at the end took not always very comfortably. Example is psych, S-I-G-H-T. In word psych, they make 3 letters in one word. Next. Some consonants involve the vibration of the vocal cord. That's how the voiced consonants such as P and M. Others have no vocal cord vibration. These are the voiceless consonant. This is depending on where in a word a consonant appear. Example, the letter Z sound at the beginning zoo. At the beginning zoo, it's much more vibrant than the one in the word of us. The letter Z in zoo has vibrant and this then the word us when Z in the end of us. An alternative way of capturing the difference between such consonant pairs as P and B is to compare the voice with which they are articulate. Voiceless consonant product which much more gather was than their voice counterparts. And in this and them Fortis and Lenis. Example for Fortis is P, T, K, F. And in Lenis, example B, D, and G. Some consonants are primarily identified through their use of the nasal cavity. The nasal cavity is example M, N, and R. Next. This 24 consonant sound. The first B example is boy, cap. Number 2 is a symbol of S, H. Example is shy, dish. In the 6th number, there are symbols of K and H. Example is watch, cheek, and etc. Next. I think enough for consonant.
Okay, the presentation will be continued by me. So, after we know the 24 of consonant sound in English, now we will learn about consonant cluster. What is consonant cluster? Consonant cluster is a group or a sequence of a consonant sound that appear together in the syllable without a vowel between them. To make it easy to understand, consonant cluster is happen when 2, 3, or more consonant sound appear together in a word. The example, like in the word spot, there are consonant sound that appear together, right? The S and P. S and P called consonant cluster that consists of 2 consonant sound. Another example, in the word spray, the consonant cluster is SPR, consists of 3 consonant sound. Well, as Mbak Lulu and I mentioned before, there are 24 sound consonant in English. You can freely combine them to make a consonant cluster, but in English itself, there are 36 until 42, if I'm not mistaken, initial combination of consonant cluster. Here are the 4 major categories of consonant cluster. There are R cluster, S cluster, O cluster, and 3-letter span. These 4 major categories is the commonly cluster consonant cluster categories that we can find in English word. The first, there are cluster. The common combination are BR, CR, DR, FR, GR, PR, and TR. Like in the word trap, trip, prank, grow, fright, draw, and another word. The second, there are S cluster. Sorry. The common combination are SC, SK, SL, SM, SN, SP, ST, and SW. The example, like in the word small, snail, sword, school, skip, stop, and another word. The third, there are L cluster. The common combination is BL, CL, FL, GL, and PL. The example, like in the word plane, plate, glow, bling, clap, and another word. The fourth, there are 3-letter spans. The common combination are STR, SPR, CHR, THR, and SHR. The example, like in the word Christmas, in the word straw, in the word, what else? Praise, truth, and another word. So beside these major categories, there are also these categories of consonant cluster. The first, there are ending blanks. This is for a word that end by consonant cluster with this combination, like the word egg. It's end by CT combination. Word left, it's end by FT combination. The word felt, the word felt end by combination LD combination, the word last by ST combination, and another combination here. The second, there are 4 consonant cluster. Well, maybe some of us are curious. Is there any word that consists of 4 consonant sound? Well, the truth is there are words that consist of 4 consonant cluster. The example, like in the word angst, it's end by 4 consonant cluster, and GST, and also in the word text, it's end by 4 consonant cluster. Well, maybe some of you questionable why text is 4 consonant end by 4 consonant sound, because in a written, when we write the word text, it's end by 3 consonant sound, X, T, S. Well, you are true, but in a pronunciation, the spelling of text is TEKSTS. X is equal with KS. That's why this word text is included in a 4 consonant cluster, because it's end with KSTS, like that. After we know the definition of consonant cluster and also the example of consonant cluster, now we will learn about English consonant cluster reduction. So what is consonant cluster reduction? Well, some of consonant cluster words are hard to pronounce even for a native speakers. That's why sometimes they unconsciously omitting one or more consonant to make it easier to pronounce. Like in the word stomach, become too much, the S are omitted. In the word squeeze, become quiz, task, become task, hand become hand, word left, become left, asked, become ask, clothes, become clothes, fifth, become fifth. The example, like this sentence. Oh my God, I hurt my left hand. That's feel uncomfortable, right? So sometimes the native speaker, instead of saying, "Oh my God, I hurt my left hand," they say, "Oh my God, I hurt my left hand." The second sentence feel comfortable to hear and also comfortable to pronounce. But please remember, this consonant cluster reduction is not applied for all consonant sound. It's just for some of consonant cluster word. Okay, that's the end of our group presentation. If you have anything you want to ask us, please write it down at the chat box below. Okay, I think it's enough. Have a nice day, stay healthy, be happy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.